Hey guys, it's Brian Mika from HGTV. And if it looks like we are laying on the floor of our house, do not adjust your cameras because we are. We're not just laying anywhere though, Mika, are we?
We are laying in our foyer to be exact, but also in the entryway rug.
Yes.
We love Rugs.com. Okay,
Yep.
First of all, we love open concept. So we use rugs as a way to define each space. And Rugs.com, they offer so many selections.
We get so many compliments when people first walk into our home and throughout our home. And they always ask us, where do you guys get your rugs? The answer is easy. Rugs.com. We love this company. It's fast, free shipping, and free return.
Free returns, which means to me risk-free shopping.
Yes.
A lot of competitors don't offer that, but check this out. Not only is Rugs.com awesome because of the product, but they are doing so much good for the community out there.
Absolutely. Every single rug that you buy from Rugs.com, they plant a tree. Also, they donate 100 rugs a month to teachers all over the country. So they're doing some great things for you guys and then also for the community. So you can't go wrong. They have 24/7 customer service. And gosh, they're also really comfortable to lay on.
They're very comfortable. They're family owned. I love supporting small businesses.
Yeah.
I mean, they don't really feel like a small business though because they have a huge selection. So Rugs.com, check it out.
Can we take a nap now?
Good night.
Good night.